Be sure the ailerons are right, that's all.
Alright, got Jim's Valiant. He's let me fly it this morning. He had to go back and get his sunglasses off the bench. Excuse me. I have one of these rascals that I bought last time they were on sale. Got it for $149, but mine's still in the box. Why put mine together and fly it when Jim will let me fly and crash his? Oops, did I say that out loud? Yeah, Jim, I was just commenting, why should I take mine out of the box and put it together when I can come out here and fly and crash yours?
Hey, that's an idea. I've got a backup too, so. Is that full throttle?
No,
I was going to say, hey, I put a battery in there.
No, it's half throttle. It does feel like it's kind of yanking to the right a little bit though on the rudder and also on the takeoff. I noticed it on the wheel. There's a full throttle. Ready for it?
Oh, no. Hands are cold now.
Let me get it turned around outbound for you.
Okay, well, I want it out of that cloud.
You don't want it in the fog? That makes it, hang on a minute. Let me get it out of though.
Okay.
Alright, there you go. Yeah, those things just fly so good. It reminds me a whole lot of my Super Easy on the way it flies.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, guess what Preston did is Super Easy.
I think he said it in his post that he, or his text message, that he landed it inverted or something.
No, he told me he had to rebind it for some reason.
Oh, that's right, and the ailerons was reversed. Yeah.
Uncle Jim on takeoff.
That's right, you did do that to one of your planes out here one day, P-40 or something.
Brand new P-51.
P-51, okay. Speaking of your P-40, what's up with it? Where is it at?
P-40?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one that's got about $150 worth of work to do to it.
What? What did you do to it?
Messed up a landing gear.
Oh, you didn't let me film it?
Huh?
You didn't let me film it?
Didn't you, when I took off?
I
tip stalled it on takeoff.
I don't remember it.
Ailerons. If you hit the rudder, I'd probably saved it, maybe. But I tore up a landing gear on it, and they're expensive, and the props are really expensive on that plane.
Yeah.
So it's kind of on the back burner. And
I got the flight of your Rebel posted. Your second flight, I didn't get the maiden posted. But the second flight went real well for you.
This plane glides.
Yeah.
No throttle. No throttle. And it's so easy.
But if you took that up to altitude, especially if you had any wind at all, you could probably soar it up there for a couple minutes.
Oh yeah.
Nice.